Okay, welcome back to part 2. So, well, I didn't make the head, but it turned out bad, so I'm messing it up. So, here is the, arms, the, body, and I'm about to put the head on. But before I do that, I'm gonna do the eyes. So this is gonna be, where's the front of the thing? Okay. Okay. That one nose. Okay, and then the nose. And the mouth. So we got the face, and then we got the eyes and whatever. Now we are going to do the wedge. The wedge, they're going to be made out of this. I'm just going to put this down here. Can you guys see? Can you guys? There we go. So we got the first thread. Hope you guys can see. And these are the red. You guys do. So this is what he would try. Well, we kind of need two bits to put these people up. Of course, I will start it on. Yeah, whatever. Okay. And then that one. So there it is. So I hope you guys have a good night and a day, and I'm going to those. See you guys in my next video. Bye.